Hello. Today we spend a day at Hyopji Beach in Jeju. From waking up in the morning to falling asleep at night. Let's describe our day in Korean.
일과
Means daily routine, the things you do every day. Today we learn them in order. Keyword.
일어나다,
To wake up, to get up from sleep.
아침에 일어나요.
I wake up in the morning.
에
Marks time.
아침에
In the morning.
밤에
At night.
몇 시에 일어나요?
What time do you get up? A great conversation starter.
7시에 일어나요.
I get up at 7. Answer with the time.
일찍
Early and
늦게
late. Learn them as a pair.
일찍 일어나요. 늦게 자요. 창문을 열어요.
I open the window. Wow, the sea at Hyopji. And what a beautiful sky.
세수하다
Means to wash your face the first thing in the morning.
이를 닦다
To brush your teeth. Clean them well with a toothbrush.
옷을 입다
To put on clothes. The opposite is
옷을 벗다
to take off. Learn them as a pair. Use these to connect your routine.
세수하고 그 다음에 아침을 먹어요.
I wash my face and then eat breakfast.
아침을 먹다
To eat breakfast.
아침 점심 저녁 먹다
3 meals a day.
마시다
Is for liquids. Korean distinguishes.
먹다
Eat from.
마시다
Drink. Oh, look at the clock.
늦었어요.
We're late. And we have to get to the cafe.
서두르다
Means to hurry. Let's move quickly. Keyword.
일하다,
To work.
에서
Marks the place where an action happens.
카페에서
At a cafe.
집에서
At home. Keyword.
공부하다,
To study. I study Korean every day.
을
Marks the object.
한국어를 공부해요.
I study Korean.
책을 읽어요.
I read a book.
책을 읽다
To read a book. Sit quietly and read.
쓰다
Means to write. Write it in your notebook.
점심을 먹다
To eat lunch. Eating lunch with a sea view. The best. Wait, look at the sky.
구름
Clouds. They are beautiful.
쉬다
Means to rest, to stop working and relax.
일하고 나서 쉬어요.
I rest after working.
고 나서
Shows the order of actions.
산책하다
To take a leisurely walk. Let's walk along the beach.
해변을 걸어요.
I walk on the beach. The white sand at Hyopji is so soft.
수영하다
To swim. Let's swim in the emerald water.
사진을 찍다
To take a photo. One shot with Byangdo Island behind us.
재미있어요.
It's fun. What a great day. After all that play.
피곤해요.
I'm tired.
저녁을 먹다
To eat dinner. The last meal of the day.
자기 전에 씻어요.
I wash before sleeping.
기 전에
Equals before doing something.
저녁을 먹은 후에 산책해요.
I walk after dinner.
니은 후에
Equals after doing something.
전화하다
To call. Call your family and tell them about your day.
보다
Means to watch/see.
텔레비전을 봐요.
I watch TV.
노을을 보다
To watch the sunset. The sunset at Hyopji is stunning.
아름다워요.
It's beautiful. The whole sky turns orange.
샤워하다.
To take a shower. Wash up before bed.
일기를 쓰다.
To write a diary. Write about your day, a great habit. Wait, the sky is full of
별.
stars. Sitting on the
모래.
sand, watching the stars. What a lovely day it's been. Keyword.
자다,
To sleep. The end of the day.
11시에 자요.
I sleep at 11. Time plus.
자다.
The day is done. Let's review.
일어나다.
Wake up.
일하다.
Work.
공부하다.
Study.
자다.
Sleep. How about your day? Tell us in the comments. Good night.